Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can a healthy millets breakfast actually taste better than regular pancakes and cookies? My kids were the judge today, and honestly, I was not expecting this reaction. Let's unbox these Millimo goodies and find out if they are really worth. First impression, the packaging looks colorful, premium and very kids friendly. Inside we have the Millimo millets pancake mix and these millets cookies. What caught my eye attention is that these products are made with millets, which many parents are now choosing as a healthier alternative for everyday snacks and breakfast. Everything arrived well packed and looks fresh. Now let's see what really matters, the taste. Making these pancakes is super simple, just to mix, pour and cook. This is exactly the kind of breakfast solution busy parents need on school time. Look at the texture, and they are soft, fluffy and smell amazing. Wow, these are surprisingly good. The pancakes are light, mildly sweet, and don't have that heavy feelings you sometimes get from regular pancakes. And the real taste, kids' approval. Okay, that's a win. If kids enjoy it without any conveniencing, and that's always a good sign. Now let's try our millets cookies. They have a nice crunch and pleasant aroma. These are delicious, not overly sweet, just the right balance. I can easily see these becoming a regular tiffin snacks or evening treat. And the best part is that they taste like a treat while still being made with thoughtfully choose ingredients. So after trying both product, my favorite is the pancake mix. Well, the kids couldn't stop reaching for the millets cookies. If you are looking for easy breakfast option and kids approved snacks, Millimo is definitely worth checking out. And would your kids choose the pancakes or the cookies? Tell me in the comment below. Like, share and subscribe for more honest family friend and product review. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.